Welcome to our channel. This video is for educational purposes only. The information presented is in no way intended to diagnose or prescribe. If you have any specific health concern, please contact your healthcare professional. Hello. Hope everything is well. Today, we'll talk about yoga, so watch until the end of the video. Yoga, the power of strength. The word yoga stands for the symbol of union. In Sanskrit, yoga is the meaning of to join. The real meaning of yoga is not about doing physical activity. It is the process of combining the soul with activity. Behind yoga, one can find the spiritual strength of the individual. The root of yoga has begun in the first millennium BCE. Gradually, the benefit of yoga came to a cross. Another word for yoga is the yoke. The power of yoga. The combination of both physical and mental activity in order to reach the inner soul by producing some amount of energy is the real meaning of yoga. One should have to know the power of yoga. Let's look at the benefits of yoga. 1. To get better body image. Focusing inward while doing yoga will help you get a better structure to the body. 2. Mindful eating. You will get an advantage of feeling on what you eat. 3. Heart benefits. By doing yoga regularly can help to lower the blood pressure and cholesterol. 4. Weight control. Yoga is the best action to perform to lose weight. 5. Overall fitness. Practicing yoga several times a week will help to maintain the overall fitness very well. Usually, the more you perform, the more you get. Yoga includes other benefits. Help to calm your mind and train your body. Fit for everyone, and it doesn't need any special equipment. Improved sleep, digestion. Increases flexibility, muscle strength, and blood flow. Balanced metabolism, help you focus, and strengthens bones. The spiritual types of yoga. Law of pure potentiality. Knowing who we give us the capacity to fulfill any dream we have. When we are in conformity with nature, we develop a bond between our ambitions and the strength we realize these desires. Law of giving and receiving. The law of receiving is equaled by the law of giving. In the universe, everything is operated through dynamic exchange. We don't have a right to stop the flow of nature. Law of karma. If you can joyfully involve yourself in any activity, that is karma. If you do it with great effort, only karma will come, not yoga will happen. Law of least effort. You can most simply accomplish your craving when your actions are driven by love, and when you exhaust the least achievement by contributing no struggle. In this way, you strike into the limitless organizing capacity of the universe to do less and attain everything. Law of intention and desire. The entire universe is a mixture of energy and information. They both exist everywhere. The quality of importance in every intention and desire is the tool for its fulfillment. Law of Dharma. Everyone in this world has a Dharma to do in a lifetime. By showing your unique talents and specialties to others, you will get unlimited love, abundance, trust, and real fulfillment in your life. Law of Detachment. The law of detachment states that in order to drive anything in the physical universe, you must surrender out the connection to it. In this world, yoga is the powerful tool to attain the strength of spirituality. Find out more by clicking on the link in the description box below. That ends our video for this time. Watch our other videos about general health and overall wellness. Please like, follow, subscribe, and click the notification button on our channel for our other videos. Stay safe and see you again soon.